How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you just see my video for the first time, please check out my channel and please watch my videos. I want you to see more of my tutorials, my tips and tricks, and my how-to, so please subscribe. And to my regulars, thank you. Today I'll be doing quite a dramatic look. It's called the cat eyeliner. Cat eyes, that dramatic eyes, that sexy eyes, which just makes your eyes stand out, that makes it pop. That's the kind of look I'll be doing today. So I'll be teaching you how to create that dramatic cat eyes. That winged liner and this sharp points at the inner corner. So to get started, first I'll be doing a liquid cat eyes. When I mean liquid, I mean with a liquid liner on the first eye. Then I'll be doing it with a gel liner on the other eye here. So just to have a better understanding of how to create that lovely cat eyes, irrespective of the kind of eyeliner you're using. Now, it's advisable not to really use a pencil because you can't really get that nice precision and that sharp, accuracy with a pencil. You can't really use a pencil to line your eyes. So preferably you go with a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner. Now to get started, I'll be starting with the liquid liner on the first eye. Now to do the liquid, this is it. Start by dragging your line like a slanted line like this to the eyes. So it's a dramatic eye, that is why I made it a bit long. So you start feeling a little, you bring it to the eyes here, the eyelid, very close to the lash line. Make sure to have a sharp point. Now when using liquid liners, you have to be very careful so you don't ruin the entire Okay, now you fill in the lash line, you tight line. It has to be really dark. You bring it down to the inner corner. Now when you get to the inner corner, your hands needs to be really steady and not shaky at this point. So you start from filling in from here, this inner part of the eye, Now you should feel all the lash line to the eyelid, then line the eyelid like normally how you line your eyes. Then when you get to the side, after lining your eyes, bring it out. Bring it out. I hope you can see what I'm doing again. Now to thicken it, I want it thicker than this. Now bring it out. Then at this point you bring down this lower eyelid a little, draw a simple straight line, stop here, then bring it out. Okay, now let's go back to our winged liner here at the outer corner. Remember I said it was going to be dramatic and elongated. Look at it. Now this part has to be, slanted, thicker, thinner. So we're still going to continue with this part. Then I'm going to make it pointy. Be careful with this area so you don't mess it up. Make it a bit slanted. I'll see. Now for the other eye, a gel liner, when you use a liquid liner, you have to be very, very careful so you don't make mistakes. But for a gel liner, it's easy for you to be accurate. Especially if you're a beginner, I'll advise you use a gel liner when doing a cat eye. So, a cat eye look. So, this is it. Using an angled brush. Now, start by doing like this. Now, after that, make sure to flatten the mouth of your angled line brush. Now, bring it down. Just the way I did the other one. See? Goes to the lash line. Again. It's really winged. Now, bring it down to the inner corner. Okay. Now, flatten the brush, the bristles, then come to those points. See? Now see. Okay. I want to thicken it a bit. Using an angled brush. Now, see. This is a wing liner, and this is it. This is a wing liner, this is winged. Sharp. Okay. So, can you see the difference? This is a liquid one liner, liquid cat eyes here, and this is the gel here. Hope you understand how to line your eyes. The cat eye way. Where you try to do that, defined cat eyes. This part has to be, slanted, just like this is slanted, and it is winged. Try to do that cat eyes. This there has to be that sharp point. Then the lid here has to be a bit. The lining had the lid here has to be a bit thick. You know, that is quite dramatic, you know. Okay, so I hope you understand what this tutorial is about. I created a cat eyes using the liquid eyeliner for the first eye, while for the other eye, I used the gel liner to create a cat eyes. So now I purposely made it elongated, and you know, I wanted it more dramatic, and I just wanted you to understand what it is and what it entails to create a cat eyes. Okay, so a cat eye look doesn't have to be this long. You can actually keep it simple and short. You know, it doesn't have to be this dramatic. But you know, it depends on your preference, whatever kind of eye look you try to create. If you want a long, short, you know, this is just basically how to create it. You know, there has to be this sharp point at the inner corner, and there has to be the wing liner at the outer corner at the edge of the eyes. So I hope you understand my tutorial today. Thank you for watching. I remain your girl Aviva. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please watch my other videos. Please give my videos a thumbs up, and you know, please look out for my next video, which is coming up next Tuesday. Thank you for watching. So we'll see you again next time. I remain your girl Aviva. Bye.